Take a deep breath. Right now. That air entering your nose carries millions of oxygen molecules, each racing through the airways to reach your lungs. Invisible, yet essential, these molecules are about to embark on an incredible journey. As they drift past your nasal passage, tiny particles of moisture and heat guide them further. You feel nothing, yet each breath you take is already sustaining life in ways you cannot perceive. Now, the molecules approach the lungs, ready to diffuse into your bloodstream. This silent voyage begins the cycle that powers every thought, every movement, every heartbeat you have. Inside your lungs, alveoli expand like delicate balloons. Each breath inflates millions of these tiny sacs, creating the perfect surface for oxygen to meet blood. Oxygen slips through the walls of the alveoli into the capillaries, while carbon dioxide prepares to leave your body. This exchange is silent, constant, and incredibly precise. From wide-angle views of lung tissue to the tiniest alveoli, the journey continues. Every molecule flows smoothly into the bloodstream, ready to travel further than you could ever imagine. Follow a single red blood cell as it begins its journey through the arteries. Pulsing gently with each heartbeat, it carries oxygen to distant parts of your body. Now, zooming out, you see millions of cells streaming like a river through your vessels. Each carries a life-sustaining cargo, racing through an endless network of arteries and veins. Our red blood cell navigates a branching artery, adjusting to curves and bends with precision. Every movement, perfectly synchronized with the heartbeat, powers the body silently. Your heart beats roughly 100,000 times every day. Each contraction is an orchestra of muscle and rhythm, pushing life-giving blood to every corner of your body. Coronary arteries pulse with each beat, delivering oxygen and nutrients. The heart works tirelessly, unseen and unfelt, orchestrating the very essence of life. From ventricle contractions to the synchronized movement of valves, every heartbeat is a masterclass in precision. You may not notice, but your life depends on each pulse. Oxygen reaches your brain, and neurons begin to fire. Electrical impulses race along their networks, forming the foundation of thought and memory. Clusters of neurons ignite like constellations, connected moments and sensations. Within milliseconds, your brain interprets, decides, and remembers. From cortex to deeper structures, the brain's activity is a symphony of signals. Each spark of electricity represents awareness, perception, and the essence of consciousness itself. Memories appear like floating holograms, faces, landscapes, emotions. They flash briefly, forming the tapestry of your personal history. One central memory grows clearer, then dissolves into the background. This ephemeral world is invisible to you, yet it shapes every thought and decision. Oxygen now reaches your muscles. Actin and myosin filaments slide past each other, generating the force that powers every movement, from the blink of an eye to the beat of a step. Fibers contract and relax in a precise choreography. ATP molecules fuel each micro-movement, silently supporting your actions. Even the simplest gestures rely on this microscopic dance, a reminder of the complexity hidden within every motion. White blood cells patrol your bloodstream, silent guardians of your health. One detects a pathogen and moves with lightning speed to neutralize it. The camera follows the cell as it engulfs the intruder, a microscopic battle happening within you, invisible to the naked eye. These defenders work constantly, maintaining a delicate balance that keeps you alive, unaware, and safe. Finally, carbon dioxide leaves your body with an exhale. The cycle completes, returning your body to balance. The warm, glowing interior of your body fades into cooler external air. Life continues, silent, invisible, perfect in its rhythm. You never felt it. You never saw it. Yet every second, every breath, every heartbeat reminds you, your body is a universe of wonder, working tirelessly to keep you alive.